Hello wonderful family, welcome to another video. It's your servant Nick Asa. If this is your first time on the channel, you're warmly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and explore all the videos in this channel. I believe you will find them helpful. Also, be sure to like, share and tap on the bell icon so you never miss an update. In today's video, I want to share with you some key things you need to consider before purchasing the sachet water machines for your production business. Let's get started. Before even thinking about starting a sachet water business, the first and most important factor to consider is your water source. You need a reliable and a consistent supply of water to ensure smooth operation of your business, especially during the dry season. In some areas, water sources tend to dry up during certain periods of the year, which could put your business at risk. So ask yourself some of these questions. Will you be using government supplied pipe-borne water? Do you plan to drill a borehole? Or will you be drawing from a clean river or another natural source? Each of these options has its pros and cons. So if you rely on government supplied water, it may not be a sustainable choice for a mass production, as supply interruptions can be frequent. But pipe-borne water may work if your goal is to produce only for a small scale use, like a family consumption, but it's not ideal for a mass operation. Situation where there is high demand on the market, people have already loved your product and are craving for more, and you are out of water as a producer. This is going to put pressure and headache on you, and customers will turn to other brands regardless. So if you are considering a borehole, find time to research its performance in your area. Find out if boreholes in a particular area or in your location tends to dry up during certain seasons. The same applies to river sources. If you intend to use or draw from river sources, find out their consistency throughout the year to avoid unexpected shortages. Understanding your water sources helps you plan alternative solutions to keep your business running efficiently. Now, beyond having a steady water source, you must also understand the quality of your water. This includes, number one, checking if your borehole, river or pipe-borne water contains any salt or other impurities. Number two, testing the pH level of your water to ensure it meets a safe consumption standard. So before purchasing any sachet water machines, conduct a proper water test. The pH level of your water should ideally be around 7, which is normally considered natural and safe for drinking. If your water is too acidic or alkaline, you may need additional treatment to improve its quality. Now there's a link to a video in the description box which will educate you on how you'll be able to reach a pH level of 7. Check it out in the description box. But many people rush into buying sachet water machines without considering the specifics of their water source and their business needs. It is always important to be strategic when making these purchases. So in purchasing the RO water treatment system, which is responsible for purifying your water, the number of tons and membrane you will need depends on your water's acidic content and quality. Experts can also help recommend the right RO for your setup based on your water analysis. So that means that You cannot just wake up and say you're going to buy these machines anyhow. You need to do a test, and based on the test, the right machines will be recommended for you. If it is 2 tons, that will work properly based on the situation of your water or based on the state of the water. If it is 2 tons, that will work for you. If it is 3 tons, that will work for you. If it is 6 tons, that will work for you. Then you go in for the right RO. The RO is actually doing most of the work in terms of sachet water production. Yes, I can say that it determines the taste of the water you will carry out on the market, because since it is the one purifying, is the machine that is purifying the water. So in purchasing the RO system, you consider these things that we have mentioned earlier. You don't just go to the factory and buy any ton of your choice. Yeah, so before that, you need to consider your water state. Does it have any acidic content? Is it quality enough, I mean, to carry out production? If your water is actually good and doesn't have all these that we've mentioned, then you're good to go. You're good to buy any machine of your choice, depending on the scale of business that you want to embark on. If it is a small scale, if it is a large scale, then you are good to go because your water is quality enough. But situation where you have some salty content or alkaline or acidic content in your water, then you need to do a testing, and after the testing, knowing the state of your water, our experts will determine the number of tons and the membrane that will work for you properly. So the same way, when you're buying a coil machine which is used for packaging your purified water into sachets, you consider quality and durability to ensure efficiency in production. You need to look out for coil machines, a type that works properly, that works efficiently. I mean, a type that doesn't easily encounter faults every now and then. So if you are purchasing these machines, coil machines, you need to look out for quality. You can also consider looking out for people who have experience in these machines, and they will assist you in purchasing these machines. So starting a sachet water isn't just about waking up one morning and deciding to purchase these machines randomly. Do not just pick money and buy these machines without you having knowledge about the state of your water source. Always make sure you know the source of water that you are going to work with, and this will help you to get the right machines to work with without issues. All right, family, that's all for today. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have one. I love you all. See you in another video.